Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these strip lights for an honest review, and I'm going to give you that. But first, I'm going to kind of show you everything you have here, and then I'm going to go through all of my cool ideas for them. So first things first, you get a power block with a cord end on it, and that will go ahead, and that plugs into these little ends right here. So the way it works is you've got a switch end, and you plug that into the light strip, and the way it works is it kind of fans out into a great big long light strip. You have two bands, but it's a great big long light strip that plugs into this, and then this plugs into the power, and you have a switch in the middle. I just want to point it out that this is a premium light strip. This is not like your regular old light strips that just have the little dots of lights, little LED lights, dot, 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 all around them. Instead, these are kind of a smoother light. They're in a rubber track of some sort here, and it's really nice. And with the rubber track, by the way, you actually get all of these little mounting screws and brackets. So you can actually put these somewhere, mount them to the wall, and they'll work fine. Like you can kind of hold them up. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what these look like. Now, this is the soft white or warm white version. Look at that. Wow. They are futuristic, modern. You don't have that dot, 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 dot effect. Instead, you have almost like a Tron effect with these white strips that kind of just stand out. These are really cool looking. I have a lot of cool ideas for these, and I may have to get multiple strips to kind of do them all. But let me show you some of the places that I'm going to actually consider putting them. Whoa, behind the couch. Now, I just placed them back there for temporarily, but you can see they look great behind the couch. Look at that. Cool. And other than just behind the couch, you can also put them beneath the couch. These would also look great under a bed or any furniture with about an inch or so clearance. It really does add a whole new effect to the room, just having this lighting coming out, like a ground effect for your furniture. It's really neat. And this light strip is rated for outdoor use. As you can see, here are my outdoor steps. It looks really great. I have these are 8-foot steps, and the strip is a little more than 16 feet, so it actually fills up 2 whole steps. That's great. So just having these, I can make sure that everybody can see the steps and not trip, and it actually adds a lot of cool ambiance to my outside patio. It's really nice. These are great. In this example, I put them on the back of my larger couch, and it has a sofa table back there. I have no other lights on in the room right now, and they're bright enough to light the entire room and make it comforting and warm and inviting. It really looks amazing. So let's just talk about some of the cool features of this thing. Obviously, there's a lot of different places you can put them, but this is a rubber strip, and it twists and it turns, and it's fairly pliable. You can do a lot of cool things with it. You could bend it, you could wrap it around things, and then these little, you could just tape these things up with clear tape. That would be fine. They're actually not that heavy, but there's actually little clips as well. And the way these little clips work is you're supposed to screw this clip into a wall or to a base of some sort, and then this strip, LED strip, will actually click in there just like this. So the strip will hold it up in place, and it holds it nice and evenly. So you got a whole bunch of these little strips, and you can just kind of extend it out and make it nice and straight if you want to. So the power button is just a feather touch. So you just tap it, it goes off, tap it, it goes back on. But if you go ahead and do a long press on it, you can dim them. And it's actually real dim right now. I can barely see them. And then I can long press again, and I turn them bright again. So you can kind of set the mood if you want, something like that. These will obviously work under a cabinet or under a bunch of cabinets. That's fine. You want to string them under cabinets, that's great. They'll work in a dorm room. They'll work around a doorway. You have a nice long strip. You can do all sorts of different things with it. Again, I like it on furniture. You could definitely do it up and down stairs. I may not do that because I already have kind of a lighting system for my stairs. But you can do a lot of cool things with these. You can do these around windows. You could really put them anywhere your imagination will take you. These are really cool. These are really, really nice premium light strips. I've been playing with them for a while, putting them in all sorts of places. Now, both my kids want them for their room, so we'll have to talk about that. But there's a lot of cool things you can do with this, and these come highly recommended.